Meshma's interpretation. Meshma's interpretation, the only cure for all mathematical diseases, is now out with innovative practical mathematics and workshop to schools. Are you a school preparator, parents, guardians, members of PTA, students? This message is for you. Do you have a senior puppy student or a working class who has been proven mathematically challenged and barren? Think no further, for we have the cure for all mathematically challenged persons via our 3 or 5 days workshops organized around schools. Book now for your schools. Let's fix their memories through our course TG OHPC FM. Call or WhatsApp us on 08032186429. Also play our intro video on our Facebook page. Ezike Meshmas, obviously charismatically characterized, we decode all mathematically encoded expressions.
A lot of questions have been coming concerning Meshma's interpretations, and a lot of people are asking, how does it go? Is it charm or one thing or the other? But I want to show you something here. Meshma is not about charm; it's all about studying the sign first of all. For those that are mathematically challenged, the reason is their inability to study this. Now, signs, we are going to study minus, plus, division sign, and multiplication here. But we have to do with this. In Meshmas, only these two, that is minus and plus, is divided into 4 in Meshmas interpretations. Now, that is divided into 4. Number 1, TG. Number 2, OH. Number 3, PC. Number 4, FM. In bracket, searching for the unmarried. Someone would ask a question, what has mathematics got to do with marriage? Yes, of course. So let's take a look at this question here. We have minus 5p plus 6y plus 7p minus 3y minus 4p. Now, I'm going to use that FM to handle this case. You know, we have TG, OH, PC, FM. But I want to use FM to take care of this. Now, the word FM, F stands for minus, which is for female, and plus for male. We have female and we have male. This plus and this minus. So in this statement, anywhere we see minus here, we are going to call the minus female. And the number of them, the number of female we have this P. We are talking about inter-house sport now. When we are doing inter-house sports, we'll be able to discover that in each house we have male and female. So here we have 2 houses involved, P and Y. Letter P and letter Y. With the P stands for pink house, while Y stands for yellow house. So let's look at this. We are asking the students now to go into their various houses where they are prepared for them under the canopy, for instance. So we have pink house here, pink house. So they have their own house. So it's divided into 2 because of their dress, in a way to dress. Alright, we have the yellow house here. Also it's divided into 2 in it, 2 rooms. So 1 for female, 1 of the rooms for the female, and 1 of the room here for the male. 1 of the room here for female, and 1 from here for the male. So what we have here, we have female here. How many are they? 5. In which house? In pink house. So female, there are how many? So I get to pink house and look at female room. So there are how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I move again. This is male, and there are 6. In which house? In yellow house. I get to yellow house here. So in yellow house, I have 6 of them. They are male. I get to male room. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm done with that. Then the next one is they are female too. They are male. They are male and they are 7. And that in pink house. So in pink house, I have male, there are 7. I get to male room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, moving on, we have female here. There are 3 in yellow house. Get to yellow house, get to female room. There are 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 female. Then we have female here. There are 4. In which house? In pink house. Coming to pink house, I have 4 female. Get to female room. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, any other one? That's all. Then we have to close all. This is their partitions. So, then, the issue now is this. We are searching for the unmarried because what we want to do now, we want to begin to marry them to each other. So we want to pay them. So one man marry one woman. So this boy get married to this 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 get married to this, and the male finished. We are still left with 2 females. So which house do we find unmarried? Which room? It gets female room. Female. How many are they? 1, 2. We have 2 female that are not married. In which house? In pink house. Then coming to this, because they marry within the house. So coming to yellow house, this boy married to this girl, and this to this, and this to this. The female got finished. We are left with 3 males. So 3 males. Male now. There are how many? There are 3. In which house? In yellow house. This is the answer. Let any professor handle this case, this question here, it must arrive to this. And this is the efficacy of measurements. God bless you. Possibly you have heard and you have seen. So, I want to let you know that mathematics is no more challenge in this country. By the grace of God, we are able to do great work as far as that one is concerned. Now, in the area of mathematics, don't think that's what I've just shown to you. That's just a preamble, the smallest part of it. So we are promising you have a child who is mathematically barren. We are here for you. You can bring us to your house, and whichever, I don't know how you want us to help you. As far as the child is going to secondary school, please don't hesitate to call us. Are you still in universities and wanting to, there is a challenge? You don't understand mathematics. That's been your problem. We have different roads, we have different routes to meet all the standard. Please don't think that what we just did right now, that is all. That is all. No, that's former way that our teacher has been taking us through. We'll take you through that medium and give you the best with a new language again. So we have different areas, we have different road to go through. And I pray that as you begin to invite us in your various schools, you have a school or maybe your child is in that school, ask them, invite us, and we're here for your service. May God bless you in Jesus' name.
Meshmas Interpretation, the only cure for all mathematical diseases, is now out with innovative practical mathematics and workshop to schools. Are you a school preparator, parents, guardians, members of PTA, students? This message is for you. Do you have a senior pupil, student, or a working class who has been proven mathematically challenged and barren? Think no further, for we have the cure for all mathematically challenged persons. Via our 3 or 5 days workshops organized around schools. Book now for your schools. Let's fix their memories through our codes TG, OH, PC, FM. Call or WhatsApp us on 08032186429. Also play our intro video on our Facebook page. Ezike Meshmas, obviously charismatically characterized. We decode all mathematically encoded expressions.